Jamaica's chances of a medal in the men's long jump is in doubt as defending champion Tajay Gayle may not compete at the World Championships, which starts on Friday in Eugene, Oregon. This takes the spotlight in tonight's World Championship preview.
Tajay Gayle left to a national record of 8.69 meters in Doha, Qatar, to stun the world in winning the world title 3 years ago. The 25-year-old has had to shrug off injuries ever since, but his fourth attempt at the national championships on June 25 sent shivers through the spine of the track and field fraternity about his title defense in Eugene. The qualification phase for the long jump is on Friday at 4 p.m. Jamaica time. But at this point, a medal prospect for the country is now in jeopardy. The signs on Monday painted a grim picture for Gayle.
Yeah, where details is concerned, you can't really give much of that, Yeah, but, Friday is a really deciding day whether or not I can compete, I've been out for the last 2 weeks, start back training basically yesterday. So, we're not so sure yet, but we'll see.
Gayle would do anything to get on the runway on Friday's opening day.
It's my title and I have to defend it, no matter what. But if I can't, I just can't, I can't hurt myself any more than I am right now,
Should Gayle be unable to lace up his spikes on the opening day, it will not be detrimental to his career. Well, according to him.
Disappointment is something I really feel, You just accept, acceptance, And move on, You can't really kill off yourself for something you have no control over.
Unlike Gayle, the Television Jamaica pair of reporter Jordan Fort and videographer Oral Napier were in higher spirits en route to the championships.
Yeah, man, good experience. Just looking to bring the views of the athletes and all the performances to the people of Jamaica.
They left with the members of the MVP Track Club, New Era Track Club, and the Elite Performance Track Club. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.